Anyway, guys, I just made a quick video because it's something I did search for, but I couldn't find. If you're working with a linear or something and you need to move a shaft up and down on a motor to move another item, okay? This is the actual way of working without any diodes, without any transistors, without anything. Just a switch, limit switches, and the motor. Simple. This is the wiring. Okay, I'm using, obviously I just make my own power things to work with, okay? Okay, guys, it's simple. I watch it work. 6-way switch, okay? Now watch this. 1 minute. It goes off, okay? It's gonna go up again, okay? Middle off, off, and off. Okay, guys? Now, just to help all of you, which a lot of people don't do, okay? I'm going to give you the schematic for this, and it's very simple. It's easy to understand as well, okay? And here it is. Okay, guys. That's just to help the enthusiast, hobbyist like me, who likes to play around with things, okay? And I try to give you everything exactly. Another demonstration, guys. Watch this, okay? No trickery, no nothing, okay? Watch this. Off. Other way. Okay? Simple, really simple. Okay? It's simple. This is just something fast I made, nothing special. Because I'm working also on a coil winder, which is I'm working on it anyway. It's something I put together fast because I wanted to give an example of how to work with a bit of engineering, okay? You don't need any diodes in this, Xeno diodes, etc. This is how it works, simple. I'm working on a bit of a switch box as well here, you know, for my coil winder. Mucking around with some things, always the same me. Playing around, bits and pieces. My cupboards are full everything, but that's the hobbyist. Okay, guys, if you need any, please obviously like and subscribe. If you need any help with anything, feel free to comment, ask, whatever, okay? Thank you very much. Good night, everybody, and goodbye.